So far, what is your experience so far? Hogbetsotso Zam.
Oh, I'm over from Kpando and Yana Abubakar Mahama Velia Alafia Duklola Halafia. It's great. I mean, Hogbetsotso, I've been here last year, and this year, however, I love it. It's a display of unity. It's not even culture. It's the Kawawa. That's what it is.
I would also want to ask that of late we have seen you taking so keen interest in going around the Tongu constituent communities where the flood has hit them. Why is that particular keen interest?
It's the biggest news in Ghana.
Okay.
And we go where the news is. Yeah. I mean, people wake up one day and their houses are underwater. That's big news. Yeah. And nobody has to tell you that it's big news. If you're somebody who follows the news, you go where the big news is and educate people about what is happening so that people can get help. That's what journalism is about. It's not just sitting in your studio and reading scripts. You go where the news is and you report on the news. And it's a big deal. And I found out that it's not just Tongu. Yesterday, a chief called me from Kpando. Their streams have overflowed their banks and they are getting flooding in Kpando. I didn't think about Kpando. On my way here, I looked at the road leading to Alakla and Achito. It's flooded. So it's not just Tongu. It's in areas where the Volta River is. It's big news, and as a journalist, it's my responsibility to cover the news. And the big stories must be covered. It's like a war happening in Gaza and nobody's covering it. It's madness. Yeah.
All right. Thank you. I also want to ask that. Okay. In your own opinion, do you think that the people are being assisted enough with all this happening today? Are they being assisted enough?
They are grateful, but they would also want more. 2 days ago, I was having a conversation with a fellow journalist. She said, I think the Tongu people are getting too much assistance.
Really?
And other areas should also get assistance. And I said, listen, you think giving rice and mattress to people is too much? The man's house is underwater. What are you talking about? If it just so happens that their MP is being vocal, that's his job. His job is to be vocal and to draw attention. He doesn't have money of his own. He will have to alert people to the problem so that help comes there. So listen, it's not too much. They need the help that they get, and it's the responsibility of members of parliament to alert the authorities that this is what is happening so that help comes to their areas. They must use their contacts, and it's not about driving in four-wheel drives and keeping quiet in parliament. You have to speak for your people.
These are the times they need them most.
100%. So you need to do it. We can all help. As journalists, we tell the story. As MPs, they use their networks. They get people to come and help them. As individuals, you donate your widow's mite so people can get a place to sleep, food to eat, a place to lie down on, and to bring their stress levels down. So yeah, it's a collective effort.
Thank you so much for speaking with VoltaFirstTv.
Akwa Melionye, bro.
Akwa.
Hey, yo.
Bye-bye.